okay. Here we go.
Hey party pets, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making LPS DIY puppets. This is one of my puppets I made already. I'm going to show you how to make one. We're going to need paper bags. First we're going to grab a paper bag. Then I'm going to fold down the top. Then I am going to take this piece of cardboard stock paper and I'm going to line it up to the bag. And then I'm going to take this marker and then draw a line where I need to cut the edge out. Now I'm going to take some big scissors and cut this out. I'm going to glue this piece of cardstock down right here. The next step is to cut out the eyes of this picture. And I would do it slowly and really carefully. Now I'm going to turn these over and paste them on. Now I'm going to make the mouth and then the nose. I will be using this marker for the mouth. Next, I will be using this brown marker for the nose. Going to cut out some ears for my LPS puppet. Now since I got the ears cut out, I'm going to color that in when I am done coloring the face. Now I'm going to make the feet using this, by the way, and the legs. Next, I'm going to draw lines on the paws. Only 2. Like that. Now I'm going to color this puppet in. I'm going to draw on the eyelashes for each side. Now since I'm done with the face and the body, I'm going to take these legs and I'm going to paste them to the front of the body. And so that's how you make a LPS puppet. I hope you find this video very helpful to make LPS puppets or any kind of puppets, as well as entertaining. And please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.
Puppets.